Hi, I would like to share with you a trade that I had just taken earlier today. Today is Thursday, the 27th of July, 2023, and it's in the gold futures market. And I took this trade based on my price action methodology that has got a rule set that determines the trend, coupled with using my software trading tool. Now, my software trading tool is a pretty unique tool in as much, and a simple tool also, may I add, because it paints the price bars red indicating weakness, or paints them blue indicating strength. And when we couple the color of the price bars with our confirmed trend, then we create a real edge in the market, and it gives us very defined signals with very defined exit points. So again, you can see here the price bars turned red, the market went up, and it gave me a confirmed lower high with red price bars, a lower price action confirmed high, and we got a sell signal exactly at $2,015. Now, the market, our stop was just above this highest red bar. And this market then went on down, and it continued to make lower lows and indeed lower highs. And there was quite a nice bit of open equity here. And then the market started to bounce and it went sideways. But in round here, we were actually stopped out because the stop came down to the last confirmed lower high, which was in here, just in this highest red bar here, in this yellow triangle, because the market went down. It started to go green, but I wasn't so much worried about the green bars at this stage. When we get green bars, that is telling me that there is neutrality in the market. Neither the sellers nor the buyers are in control. But the most important aspect of this is the fact that it started to go up above the previous lower high. So it was time to get out. So again, we were stopped out with a 2010.5, which meant that we had a $4.50 confirmed lock in this particular move down. A nice move down, okay? But not long after getting stopped out, we got a re-entry again because the market started to go lower. And this was a lower low than this low. And then we went up, and more significantly, we made a lower high, and the price bars had now started to turn red again, indicating that there was greater selling pressure in the market than buying pressure. Once we got a price action trend to confirm that, we were able to get a re-entry price, and that again was at 2008.3. And our stop was just above this lower high red bar here. So with a very low risk to end, for everything about trading is down to keeping your initial risk low. And we're able to do this. We know exactly where our risk and where our stop strategically is going to be placed. This market then continued to go down. It went back up again, but made lower highs than this high here, down, and it made lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, and it was now turning into quite an amazing trade, folk. Okay, and indeed this was in during my live trading room, and my attendees in the live trading room seen this unfolding and the signal and me in this trade live at the time in a real-time basis. Okay, the market continued to go lower and lower, and of course we know that a market will never fall forever or will never rally forever. It will bottom out, but we needed a signal to indicate to us when the time was right to get out, because we want to try and maximize trending moves such as this as much as we possibly can. And that means that we're able to then lock in much greater profits than what our losses would be. So therefore, we know we're going to have losses. We know we're going to have losing trades, but we want to make sure that those losing trades are so small in relation to our profits. And this is how we do this, okay? So this market went on down. It went lower and lower and lower, and there was no reason whatsoever, because as you can see here, with lower lows and lower highs, and the price bars were red, indicating continued weakness. Continued weakness. Then the market started to turn around, and the market started to give us red bars. It moved up, it moved down, and in round here we had a confirmed higher price action low. That was a higher low, but the price bars were still red. Okay, but after this move now, of course, we were perhaps looking for a bottom in the market, and we didn't just nilly-dilly come out of the trade. We wanted to come out of the trade in a strategic place, a higher low, and then we wanted the price bars to further confirm that perhaps this move now was coming to an end. And indeed, we started to get green price bars. Now, when we get green price bars, that indicates neutrality. Neither the sellers nor the buyers are in control. So after the sellers been in control here for quite some time, this trade was both these trades here, the last trade here locked us in $21 and the previous one at $4.50, which is $25.50 of a move down. And that there was just that became the trade over a period of just 1.5 hours. So it was a reasonably short period of time. And trading one position, one contract position on a $25.50 move down like this was a profit of $2,550. So $2,550 trading one contract on the gold using a price action methodology and a proprietary software trading tool that is totally a unique and simple indicator to follow, just because you are able to follow the color of the price bars and then confirm that signal with the price action trend. So then again, you can see here, it's a good job that we did get out once the price bars started to go green and give us a higher low, because the market started to go way up. So we wanted to try and maximize as much as we possibly could of that trade. So it was a case of saying, thank you very much, gold. We've locked in our profits. Goodbye. So to learn more how we trade, go to beawinningtrader.com/masterclass, because in there, if you put in our /masterclass, you can sign up and you can watch a free video masterclass where we will show, where I am actually showing in much greater detail how our whole price action methodology and how our software trading tool works. So you can do that. And again, let me remind you, it's beawinningtrader.com/masterclass. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.